How to use Facebook Protect feature step by step. To use the Facebook's Protect feature, first of all, you have to go ahead and launch the Facebook application on your device. Tap on these three horizontal lines on the top left corner. From here, scroll down to the settings and privacy. Now all you have to do is go ahead and enter the settings option. From here, you should be able to access this Meta account option or Meta account center. From here, all you have to do is now go ahead and tap on the password and security option, which should be available to you over here. Now, once you select it, all you have to do is go ahead and look for the Facebook product option. Once you tap on it, go ahead and tap next. Then click next on the feature summary overview screen. Meta will automatically scan your profile for security vulnerabilities, then proceed to fix the account issues if you have any. Now, once your screen displays all green check marks, tap Finish to lock in your enrollment. Hope this video helps you out a lot. If you have any questions or queries, do comment down below.